both the sides. After a while, we will flip the fish cubes so that they are well fried from both the sides. By now the fish cubes are fried deep golden brown from both the sides. So I will take them off and keep them aside in a plate. And now we will prepare the chili garlic sauce. I have added 1.5 tablespoon of refined oil in a wok, and when the oil is hot, I will add some minced garlic. I have used here 3 large garlic pods. Next goes some finely chopped ginger, around 1 tablespoon. Saute them for a while on medium flame. Next I will add 1 green chilli sliced diagonally and 1 large onion cut into chunks. Give a quick stir. Next goes green, red and yellow bell peppers. We will not cook the onions and bell peppers much in order to retain their crunchiness. And now we will quickly season the veggies with half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Next goes 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, 2 tablespoons of tomato chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup and 1 tablespoon of Schezwan sauce. Give a mix so that all the sauce combines with the veggies. And now I will add the fried fish cubes or chunks. And now on high flame, we will give a quick stir. Finally, I will add 1.5 tablespoon of corn flour slurry. Give a final mix. And our chili fish is almost ready. Before turning off the flame, I will garnish with some spring onions which I have sliced diagonally. That's it. My chili fish is now ready to be served hot. And here goes my hot and spicy chili fish on the serving platter. Enjoy them hot as a starter or as a side dish along with fried rice or noodles. So friends, do try this delicious fish recipe. Also share your feedbacks, and if you like my today's video, then do like, share and subscribe to Continental Desi Kitchen for more yummy and interesting recipes. See you soon again in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.